guys, in the 100-degree humid weather in Wisconsin right now. I know, you're probably thinking, why are you wearing a dark shirt outside in the 100-degree weather in Wisconsin right now? Well, because I don't have any white clothes. I'm wearing shoes outside because we haven't had any rain in so long, the grass hurts your feet. So, alright, I'm doing this solo because Sarah's on vacation. I don't know why I'm even doing this after I took a shower. I should have done this beforehand. So.
Can take another one.
I guess. Hey guys, I'm gonna start off after you've already seen the burpees. I do understand that I did half-ass them, and I did it for a pretty good reason, because it was over 100 degrees in humid weather in Wisconsin. I did do the 5 days of eating healthy. I ate healthy foods, and I'm gonna go through them very quick with you. I'm gonna go very fast. I'm probably gonna put little comments in the video so I don't have to make this too super long. Alright, let's start with day one. Day one consisted of a granola bar for breakfast. Moving on, I had a cucumber and green onion cream cheese sandwich with a little bit of salt and pepper. I had a chicken Caesar salad that was 230 calories per bowl, and 4 seafood snackers, which is just imitation crab for all of you out there. I had, later on that night, celery and peanut butter. There was only 3 celery sticks in those packs, so. The next morning I had 2 stabby eggs. I never know what they're called. Hayden knows what they're called, but you stab them and the yolk comes volcanoing out, and it's just a mountain of delicious. I had an apple for lunch. Not a Snapple apple, but an apple and a Snapple. I went home and I had oven roasted chicken with a little bit of seasoning, asparagus, Parmesan Romano rice, and some green beans, and water. I had pineapple later on that night, and because I was still hungry, I had half a cup of almond vanilla Awake Flakes, the generic brand of Special K, because I'm cheap. Quite tasty too, and I do believe I did measure that half cup. Next morning I had my almond vanilla Awake Flakes. I had half of that Parmesan Romano, hence the knife in my rice. I don't actually eat rice with a knife. I had a cream cheese, green onion, and cucumber sandwich with 2 thin pieces of lunch meat, my Snapple, and a plum. The plum made my mouth tingly, and the break room tried to convince me I was allergic. I had celery when I came home, and then later on I had a hard-boiled egg because I was making macaroni salad for the 4th of July. Instead of having many delicious items like cheesy hashed potatoes, chips and dip, frickin' brats and stuff like that, I had grilled chicken with no seasoning, no salt, no butter, nothing, pineapple, and strawberries. Did I mention they had cake? I passed up all of that on the 4th of July. I went home and I had some clear soup. Clear soup consists of clear broth, mushrooms, scallions, seafood, and tofu. Quite delicious. I had the next morning my almond vanilla Awake Flakes, a salad, and I do agree that is too much ranch. I had turkey schnitzel with a creamy dill sauce, long grain and wild rice, and roasted asparagus. The schnitzel, fantastic. You're going to get the recipe. You have to use fresh dill. Hayden is enjoying the schnitzel. I wanted to go all out because you told me to get fruit, and I wanted to be like Nikki. I was going to eat a frickin' coconut. A coconut. But we couldn't eat it because it was a bad coconut we bought from where I work. It smelled like paint thinner. It tasted like soap, the little bit that Hayden tried, and the inside of the shell was moldy. We returned it. The next day I didn't eat breakfast, but I had leftovers, which was the rice, the turkey schnitzel with the creamy dill sauce, and pineapple, strawberries, and 2 blueberries. Just 2 blueberries. I also was eating yellow watermelon since the 4th of July. Very delicious. Yellow watermelon is better than red watermelon, and you need to try it. Check out if Germany has that. I did eat dinner later on that night, but I didn't go with your challenge because I decided to say, fuck your challenge. You tortured me on the 4th of July. I passed up good food, Nikki. I passed up good food. So, Wednesday, which was my worst day out of all of them, I was like ready to just quit. I decided on Friday I was going to go have some honey mustard wings at the Coliseum, and it was very good, and I did that. Portions are awesome. I should do them more often. I learned that I lost 4 pounds in 5 days. That's awesome. I learned a new thing where you set the timer for 20 minutes, and you're supposed to eat your dinner in that 20 minutes. Not like you have to finish before the 20 minutes is up, but you're supposed to make it last for the full 20 minutes and have maybe a bite or 2 or even more left over at the end. And it's supposed to help people who eat very fast, slow down, enjoy their food, and realize that they're actually full at the end of the 20 minutes. What I end up doing, because I'm such a fast eater, because I'm usually afraid my food's going to be stolen because Ron and Damon would steal my food at Mom's house. Don't steal my food, Ron! Don't steal my food, Damon! But because I would eat so fast, I never felt full, so the 20-minute thing really works. Your challenge, as you already know, is to do the Master Cleanse. For those of you that don't know, the Master Cleanse consists of making a water mixture drink out of water, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, and maple syrup, and I think that's it. And you mix it all together, and that's all you drink for 10 days. However, because it just sounds hard, I want you guys to at least do 3. So please at least do 3 days. If you're gonna do the whole 10 days, then make the video for the whole 10 days. But if you crack, take a picture or let me know what made you crack. You're not allowed to eat anything else, you don't drink anything else, it's just the whole mixture for the 3 days. And I know both you and Murphy are doing it, and I wish you luck. That's all I got for you right now. One other thing is, if you really wanted me to get into a habit of eating more healthy things like this, I would suggest not doing it for just 5 days, because there's no way I'm going to fall into habit for doing that. Not that I want you to challenge me to do it again, just letting you know, I'm not going to be in the habit of it. Get that thought out of your head, Nikki. Your Snapple fact of the day is a pineapple is neither an apple or a pine. It is in fact a large berry.